Hi, you're watching Plating It with Wendy, where I share with you recipes which impress with ease. 1 year ago, my dream of starting a recipe food blog became a reality. YouTube was the first platform I began sharing my recipes on to help you all impress with ease. Today, we have grown tremendously on TikTok and Pinterest as well. Over the summer, we launched the Mini-Me and Tipsy Thursday series featuring my daughter, which were both fun to make and loved by you all. I'm so excited to take you on a journey through our last year and stick around till the end for a very special announcement I can't wait to share with you all. Today we're making a classic Goan delicacy, chicken Capria. This juicy chicken is marinated in a green masala paste which is aromatic, delicious, and a bit tangy all at once. Let's take it back to my chicken Capria recipe. This was the first Goan recipe that I shared with you all, and it brought back so many childhood memories. I was so glad with how much everyone loved the recipe, and from then on I found my niche, connecting my Goan heritage and traditional flavors with a modern twist to my recipes. My goal is to expose a wider audience to the Goan cuisine. From then I've gone on to share many more Goan recipes, some of which are my caramel custard, which is a creamy custard with a caramel topping which just melts in your mouth, and a bread pudding which is sure to satisfy anyone with a sweet tooth. And my all-time favorite, shrimp curry, which is made with aromatic spices and blended with fresh coconut. And no Christmas platter is complete without the traditional Goan bath cake, milk cream, date rolls, and nankatais, which were a delight to the eyes. Who doesn't love a delicious tuna salad? And this one is easier than ever. During the summer months, I made a tuna salad, which was my first taste of a video getting a ton of traction, and it reached over 30,000 views. To say I was excited would be an understatement. Noticing the interest in salad recipes, I went on to share some more, like the delicious egg salad, potato salad, and coleslaw. Today let's make this legendary roast beef seasoned with spices and herbs that is tender, succulent, and packed with flavor. Moving on to the tender beef pot roast, which was my take on a dish I ate for dinner growing up. This was also the recipe which took the channel to 1K subscribers. This was the first milestone, and it was so heartwarming to see how engaged everyone was with my recipes. These ribbon sandwiches are a treat for the eyes and are super delicious. And let's end it off with the showstopper, my ribbon sandwiches, which was such a simple recipe but was so popular with everyone. Reading all your wonderful comments for that video was really exciting and encouraging. This video led us to achieve our second milestone, being approved to join the YouTube Partner Program. Wow! And receiving that acceptance email from YouTube was a memory I won't forget. And to achieve this in under a year was an incredible feeling. But most importantly, I could not have done this all without your support, and so a big thank you to all of you. Your likes, comments, and kind messages mean the world to me, and I cannot wait to share more recipes with you. The links to all the recipes mentioned in this video can be found in the description box below. And finally, the moment we've been waiting for. Drum roll please! We are so excited to announce the launch of our website, platingitwithwendy.com. Here you can explore my recipes, check out the products I use for my dishes, and learn a bit more about me. And before I go, I would like to thank my husband, my daughter, and my son for their tireless support and encouragement, which has helped me achieve all I have today. I love you guys. Thanks for watching. See you soon.